All right, guys. So one of the greatest things about PropStream, once again, is that it has an app that you can download. It's available on the iTunes store, I believe, and then also on the Android apps as well too. But what it allows you to do, I'm not 100% sure Android, but I know for sure it's an iPhone. But what it allows you, I guess it's Google Play or Android. What it allows you to do is that you, with this app, you can actually go in and you can type any address across the country pretty much and get access to all of the data on the go. It's taking a little bit of time, probably because I'm not on Wi-Fi, but as you can see, it gives me all the information. Same thing it would do on the actual login on the software on a desktop computer, but it does the same thing on the mobile app. All of the information, you can actually go and get comps of the property, all these different things. So if you're on the go and you need to look up a property, make sure you have this app on PropStream, guys, if you have the software, because it allows you to get all this data on the go. Now, here's one of the greatest things about this that most people don't know that it also allows you to do. Outside of being able to put a property in, you can actually go out and choose the driving filter, and then you can set filters up. Basically, you can look for all of the different things. If you want to find properties that are owner occupied or not owner occupied, meaning it's absentee owner or somebody that owns the property lives in it. You can set up where you want to look for properties that they are all tax delinquents, divorce, flippers, failed listings, bankruptcy, free and clear, whatever, right? So we can set this up, let's say tax delinquencies, right? And then we can make sure that we're only finding also properties that are residential, right? Single family. We apply those. And then what we can start to do is we can start to say, let's go ahead and drive. Now what we can do, so we can go ahead and start driving around down the street. Here I live on by a bridge, so that's why you can't see stuff. But we can go ahead and start locating and driving down the street, literally. Again, I'm kind of messed up right now because let's go back to. And we can try to find some properties over here. Like here, there's 64 properties in this neighborhood. It's going to show us all these different properties that match those filters that we're looking for. Or we can just literally just keep driving around. And you can either drive around yourself in the car and locate these stuff, or you could drive around just on the app itself virtually by using this PropStream, and it'll literally show you in those areas where all of those vacant properties, liens, tax delinquents, failed listings, cash buyers, where those properties are at, and it shows you the number of how many in the area, as you can see here. So absolutely game changer for real estate investors. Download the app PropStream if you have the software. If you don't, of course, remember there's going to be a link below this video for you to go ahead and get started with my 7-day free trial and get access to it. Get this because it's a game changer for your business.